Good day, you are welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation where we have 36 to the power of x plus 1 equals 72. So to solve this, we consider by writing the solution. And from the question we have 36 raised to the power of x plus 1 equals 72. So next, we are going to apply the rule of indices that says we are going to split this as 36 raised to the power of x multiplied by 36 equals 72. So having this, we divide both sides by 36 and 36 cancelled 36, so that we have 36 raised to the power of x equals, so 72 can be written as 36 multiplied by 2 divided by 36. So when 36 cancels 36, we have 36 raised to the power x equals 2. So we introduce logarithm to both sides. We have log 36 raised to the power x equals log 2. So we have to consider from this rule that says, suppose we have log a raised to the power b, it is equals b log a. Then by applying it, we have log x log 36 equals log 2. Then we divide both sides by log 36. So by dividing both sides by log 36, this cancelled. Then we have x equals log 2 divided by, so for this 36, we are going to write it as 6 to the power of 2. And with the rule we have applied above, we are going to write this as log 2 divided by, so we try to take 2 back, then we have 2 log 6. So here we have 1 up. By rewriting this as x equals 1 divided by 2, then we create a bracket for this, then we put log 2 divided by log 6 in it. So having this, we also consider a rule that says, suppose we have log a divided by log b, so it is the same thing as log a base b. So here we have x equals 1 divided by 2 log 2 base 6, and this is the result to this problem. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video interesting, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.